Well, I'm gonna give me opinionated people. So people, me they have shown a little reasoning with Lava and Donte. You don't know Donte? Donte is the little youth where, very popular, well known on the internet and thing. And him a do him little farming thing in a Jamaica and I go and make him honest money. Seeing a whole heap of people respect and rate Donte for the fact that him a do him thing on him own and if you're young, youth where try. Also the fact that Donte young, but he's our old soul. The youth talk like any adult, me I tell you no. You saw me I say, the other day him and Christopher Tufton up on the road and thing and him and Auntie Dana all over the place and Ray and people just love Donte. But I know that we really are talk about right now, What we actually they have to address is this. So me always tell people say, don't worry about what people have to say about you. Because if you have good for do, people are going to have bad for say same way. And if you do bad, them are going to chat about you same way. So you hear me, just do you and not focus on the negative where people have to say. Alright, let me tell you what go on. So Donte go up and chat and laugh the other day with Lava. Lava, big up yourself, my general. See? And when them go up and chat and laugh now, people bash Lava the other day and say, yo, Lava program is a ghetto program and them tear down woman and this and that and Ray and ass dead and cow fat. Them tear down Lava with and chat bad about the program. Anyway, Donte come on the program now, seeing nice smooth reasoning, nothing ghetto about it. And then there was still people who come and talk about say, yo, that is not a program for the little boy. Why was Donte even on that program? And all of that bull crap. People, who don't need to go wash some dirty jars we wanna have and leave people business alone. Cause some who only like for just create problem where there is none. Seeing? Anyway, people, listen to the reasoning with Donte a whole with Lava, yeah, man. Make sure, comment in the comment section. Peace. Little more.
Lava, keep on doing the work. Just kind of train. You say like you can black out, like me learn for black out corona.
Right.
But if you made,
Right.
you can't go around it, but you learn for black out.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
But more if you do know, try black out all of the bad things and what I fear. And everybody on the live right now, try learn how to do that.
True.
You don't make bad mind and envious. I don't when I think them more they exist. We keep them there without a film mouth. You understand? You don't
listen now. We're gonna do something right now, right? Yeah, you message to you? Chatala family willing to buy the goat for you.
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Yes, we're willing to buy the goat for you. Yes. Yes. We're gonna buy the goat. You're not for sending me anymore. You're not for sending me anymore. And December we in, you're not for sending me anymore. December.
Lava.
Yeah.
Keep on doing the good work.
People, chat and laugh, people. I'm going buy him the goat right now. See the cash up there, the people and the sell there. We're going to buy Donte the goat. We love your vibes. We love your energy. If you're a 12-year-old. You understand me? We love your vibes. We love your energy. And you take a time out. Probably you could have do something else right now. But you say no. You give Lava the respect here and show chat and laugh family the respect. So people, the cash up is there, the PayPal is there, the Zelle is there, right? So we're gonna buy him the goat. We're gonna buy the goat.
Real good, Lava.
Retalk, we're gonna buy the goat.
Lava, you see?
Yeah.
Tell you something what you asked for do. You see, when people say rich and poor, right?
Right.
Hear me? Rich don't exist. Rich do not exist. I don't know what is rich. Rich is something. Today you might have a little money and tomorrow that gone. You understand what I'm saying?
Right.
You say if you can help out somebody, you do it because you love do it. But not help out nobody because I'm gonna say, oh, one I help out No,
True.
I don't do this.
True.
Thanks a lot, Lava. Thanks everybody on the line.
Because remember, you know, you never forward on the show and say, your hawks with buy one goat. We decide to buy the goat.
We really respect that, Lava. Really
Yes.
respect that.
People,
Really.
chat and laugh, people. See the cash up there, see the PayPal there, see the Zelle there. We're going to do it. We're going to do
All
it.
the foreigners out there, all the foreigners and Jamaicans out there right now.
Don't make Auntie Dana see her cry.
Don't want me not cry, man. Never do that.
Don't do that.
No.
Don't do that.
But everybody out there, thanks a lot. You know, thanks a lot. Really appreciate it, you know. Really appreciate it. Really, really appreciate it. And all this good happened to me. We just want one day if you just get, you know, well be knowing and have my local cash and everything. We want to help out a lot of people. That's all I do. That's all I want to do.
Dante, remember this. You are just 12. And the aim you have and the mentality you have, it will happen. You understand me? No rush it. You are just 12. And wait for people look up to you. Not because I'm older than you, I still look up to you. I could be a father. My son at 12. You understand me? It's not about the age where we look up to people. And the mindset. The mindset. You understand me? And the mindset where we look up to people. And the mindset where you have, we respect it over here. You understand me? We respect it over here.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Go down then. Come here. Go down.
One thing, you know. One thing I know in life, you know. Before my mother passed away, my mother out tell me, say, take care of my grandparents them. Take care of my grandparents them, my 3 grandparents them. She ever tell me that. So I always know, say, the kids them come first, family first. And Cartel always I say, family first. You understand me? And the mindset where you have as a 12-year-old, enough man who have 30 and 40 and not have the mindset where you have. Not man and woman, not have the mindset where you have. So continue it another way there and focus and say that thing the name school and the book work. Don't play with it and don't leave it out. And remember, respect. Respect
Manners.
bring it through and manners bring it through.
My grandfather ever tell me that.
Yeah,
I
man.
don't like. Because
Yeah, man.
manners.
Respect and manners bring it through.
One more thing, Baba. You see the kids them out there watch me right now. You know, say there are a lot of kids watching me.
Right.
When they decide that what adults, you don't curse. I see a lot of that happen.
True.
There are a lot of kids out
True.
there. A lot of people, foreign people don't know where they out here go on.
True.
If they decide that people,
Right.
in any body they decide, they could have decided they look as young brother. No curse beside that.
True.
Understand? Don't curse. Understand? And maybe just go up and see that happen in your surroundings. But try to set an example. Try we as young kids we could change the world. But if we could start from now, it would really mean a lot. We need to set an example. Although sometimes the parents them out there don't set an example.
True.
There's good parents. There are bad parents and good parents.
True.
But all the people them out there curse in front of them picnic. Please just set an example. Do the right thing. Cause them same one, me see. Them curse beside a old man. Them curse beside a them brother. Stop, just stop. And just do the good thing.
True.
I really want to address that.
True.
And for sure say, and never you when you talk to somebody, you shot back, you kiss your teeth. If you feel that way, just keep it to yourself. You don't make it feel, don't make the older person.
True.
She say you feel that way. And you understand me I try to say, Lava?
You're right.
Manners, that's manners overall.
Respect.
You always have manners to your younger ones them, and your older ones them.
Same thing. That's what I tell you, say, not because I'm older than them, I still have to look up to you a certain way. Look, when you come to look up, it's not about age. It's about the mindset. You understand? So we need to pray for, But people remember, the cash up is there, the PayPal is there, and the Zelle is there. We're going to support him and what him do. We need to pray for me.
Alright, dear Lord, right now, in this night, Lava, the shot and laugh crew, the Blanca crew, everybody out there will look up to me. Every little kids out there who don't have anything to eat, Father, that I pray tomorrow, just put something on them table. Because there's a lot of things going on in this corona. I just pray that some people out there could just block out the corona and just be more good. Oh, Father God. Let us pray over love on everybody. I pray over my auntie and I pray over all my family abroad and in Jamaica as well. Everybody will watch me right now. God, pray over their family. I pray over love of family. I pray over auntie and family. I pray over my family. I pray over everybody. You understand? I pray over my father's business. I pray over everybody's business out there. Every look in shop and everybody is trying to make money. Because we're all scholars. We have to make money. We have to make money to eat, oh Father God. Father God, watch over us. Father God, guide us and protect us, Father God. Teach us to have more manners, Father God. Teach us to set good examples, Father God. Father God, I'm just praying for my family and I'm praying for everybody. I pray for my grandmother, I pray for my grandparents. I pray for everybody right now. But they're in this local Jamaica right here. You understand, Father God? And people abroad, you understand? And just say answer and say God answer my prayer them, Father God. You understand? Thanks to everybody who said I'm buying the goat. Really appreciate it, Father God. Put a lot of food on people eat right now, Father God. And all of people work hard. You understand? Teach kids manners, Father God. Teach them manners. The parents might not have it all the time, the manners and everything, but teach them on the right way, Father God. Understand? Guide and protect their parents. Guide and protect all of the school them out there and the teachers them out there. You understand? Teachers and everybody out there, parents first. Everybody parents, young and old. Family first, Father God. Watch over us. Take care of us. In your name I pray. Amen.
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 Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Yeah, man, I said, Donte, right? Come in, we'll soon have to wrap up this. Where you up on the live with a phone or a tablet or an iPad?
Phone.
To me, are the phone same on a vibrate just now?
Yeah, it does ping.
Okay. Say, one phone you have?
Yeah, one more.
Okay. I mean, you don't want to prove something to the people and fan chat and laugh, because we love keep a little foolishness over here more time. You understand me? Because like I said, you're in love with Auntie Dana so much, call her and see if she'll answer you.
I'm not say be there now, I'm sure. I'm not say I speak, I should not like when people disturb her.
But a man a call her.
I'm not calling it. I'm not even sure I answer your phone. People don't feel like, oh, but you look at me away now. Mister, can please go put them for the phone? Me like when I look at me, please. More call her. Please, mister, please, man.
Low it alone.
No, man. No, man.
Don't get that flap there.
Father God, I'm just praying that you erase that part of the video, please.
Don't get that flap there.
Amen.
Hey, babe. Don't get that flap there.
Hey, Lava, right, see there, Lava.
Yeah?
Lava, you died, me, Lava. All right, amen. Thank God.
All right, babe.
Erase a piece, Lava.
No. Oh.
At that me a talk about.
Yo.
What you talking about?
Yo.
Slap my place.
Yo. Low it alone, I want to get that flap in there.
You don't want the boy.
Yeah.
Man, I like shot and laugh, have a buzz.
Yo. Donte. Remember, people, the Cash App is there, the PayPal is there, and the Zelle is there. Support Donte or buy him the goat. Understand me? Yeah, man.
Feel nice, people.
Yeah, read it.
Everybody up there. Can talk.
What going on?
Is it Shensia?
Who?
Big girl for me. Shensia.
Big girl?
Yeah, just more one day to meet her. Cause she repost me the last time, but me never really see. You understand?
Yeah.
You know, I could have somebody a manager account. So more talk to her in a person, you understand?
Oh.
So when I set that up for my Christmas present.
Okay, man.
Yeah.
All right then.
Auntie Danana for me. Auntie Danana.
No, me not Auntie Dana, no.
Oh,
Here the maga link Ramesh.
yeah.
And you know, so you know, we can do it and I said, what you want
Yeah.
to? I just send a video. Yeah. What you want to do?
No, man, I want to talk to her.
You want to talk to her?
Talk to her and feel her and tell her how I feel.
Oh.
Mm.
All right, then, man. Okay, I'll line it up.
Set that up for me.
I'll line it up.
Mm.
Hey, people, you know, so on a serious note, when I hear age as everybody say my prime, you talk about prime, when I hear age as some flex, you know, I swear to God.
Man, I like shot and laugh, have a buzz.
Donte,
Yeah.
people, you see it? Donte is here. And you bring a joy to the show. Different vibes, different energy. And we really appreciate it.
It's your boy Donte in the building. Man, go.
You know, one thing I really like with you still, you try to get the woman them attention more than me over here, and I don't like it.
All right, Lava. All right. Now stop.
You never get up and, you know?
No. Lava, man, understand still. Say, I feel girl, them still.
Yeah, but come on,
Yeah.
like, you know.
Lava, look at more something, you know. How much people upon I watch you. Give me half. No?
14,000 ad over here, watch me.
Take off, I may take off.
But that's
Lava,
all. But
look at the Lava. One is not enough. As me say, one go out and one come in. So, one is not enough. You know?
okay.
So, you know, work and go on. But you have to keep our luck same way.
Okay. So what type? What kind of girl I like then?
Shensia one.
No, what kind of girl I like? Just in case we can send some of them over there to you. Describe the type of girl you like, so we can send over there.
One a nice fat one,
Right.
black.
Right.
One brown one, slim.
Right.
Want her shy, not want her too talkative.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah.
Want her in a fear lane. You know that one. Some of them. Want a fatty too.
I eat
Fat
it.
one.
The fat one them, and the brown one them, and the slim one them, and the shy one them. Forward gonna have page.
Cool it too. Mixed breed.
Oh, you like cool it too. So the cooler one then forward go over page.
Amen.
Listen, that's it, you know.
That's it. No more.
See if you go over there and say somebody's over there now, you know, so you're not supposed to send her back over here, so you know.
Yeah, man.
Because me care feelings are some stay, you know.
Whoa, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable.